everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 10th to the 15th or 14th of November 2025 on Monday. Mondli is not happy with the route Nyao took to get information. Mr. Dongwe and Njeza clap again while Nonka is impressed with the Sibongiseni's research on Tuesday. Mbalenhle gets dressed for a mysterious meeting along with Nkazimulu. Madlala watches Mr. and Mrs. Dongwe have a lunch date at Nonka's. Nyao uses his leverage on DK for more information about Msomi on Wednesday. Nkazimulu and Mbalenhle sells their business proposal to Flavia. Nyao uses the weed guy to rate in Officer Msomi Medongwe, and Mr. Dongwe enjoys a date at Nonka's on Thursday. Nonka fights to secure support for the township initiative, but Jafta wants more than generosity. Nkazimulu and Flavia explore the new K-Mesh FM space. Meanwhile, Msomi's shocking arrest wakes or shakes the police station, leaving Mondli and Nyao questioning who can be trusted on Friday. Things go from bad to worse for Insizwa Lily, and Mr. Dongwe's lovely father-daughter strolls tense sour when Mr. Dongwe makes an unwelcome remark. Nonka preps to make a life-changing announcement. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.